Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I have a Wantable for you. Wantable is a styling service, and how it works, you choose your edit, and Wantable has several edits. They have a style edit, they have a sleep and body edit, they have active wear, they have menswear, and sometimes they'll have seasonal kinds of edits. You fill out their style quiz and they will send you, based on that, they will send you 7 items. Wantable sends you 7. There's a $20 styling fee. If you keep 5 of the 7, at least 5 of the 7, you get 20% off your total box. They also provide you with this return postage paid bag, and my stylist this time is Dominic. I think I've had Dominic before. I don't get Wantable as often as I get some of the other ones, and so I'm pretty sure I've had him before. You get this. Okay, hold on a second, because it's come apart, but because it's so thick. Oh my goodness. Anyway, it says Style for Ann. And by the way, if you like to see these unboxings, these fashion unboxings, please like and subscribe. I do Wantable, I do Stitch Fix, I do Trendsend, and but let's get started with this one. First this is the open front pocket cardigan in light rust by Staccato. That's pretty cute. I like the color. I like the fall color. It doesn't look so great with clashes with my red, but I like it. It's pretty lightweight, which I like. Again, it doesn't have the, like some of these that I've gotten recently are just super snaggy, like that catch on anything, and just it's really frustrating. This does not seem like one that would do that, and it's also very stretchy. Next, these are the ultra legging wide waistband in black cherry. Is that right? Ooh, these feel, wow, these feel really, this is not a legging. No wonder this is not black cherry. Okay, oops. This is the faux suede drape jacket in black by Bagatelle, and I requested this. It feels really, really good. I think this is cute. Again, it's pretty light. It's not lined. It's got zippered pockets. This looks cute. Okay, I'll be a little more careful with my... This is the Belmont V-neck tee in Amazon by 78 and Sunny. And it's just your basic, just a basic green tee. Not anything super exciting. We'll see about that. This is the Cruise Cruise long sleeve top in marble and black by 78 and Sunny. This one is definitely a little heavier, and I like it. I think this is cute. I like the black sleeves. I like the color block. So we'll see about that one. This looks like something I've tried on before. This is the striped intermingle brushed dolman long sleeve navy and white by W by Wantable. So it's their brand. It's, oh, that looks really, really big. Wow. We'll see how it fits. Maybe it'll be that cozy oversized look that that I really kind of like, but super soft. I like it. Okay, now we're getting to the ultra legging wide waistband in black cherry by Hue. These are cute. Very cute. They feel quality, like quality leggings. I like these. So we will see about that. I've got a lot of black leggings. I don't have a lot of colored leggings because I'm really drawn to the black more than anything. And last, this is the Hawthorne ribbon trimmed v-neck top in white by 78 and Sunny. So lots of 78 and Sunny in here. And it's cute. It's got this interesting little detail around the neck and then the back. I'm not really looking for short sleeves so much, but we will see. So those are my 7 items. I will go try them on. I'm not sure what goes with what or if they're styled for me, but we will go try them on and see what we think. I will be right back. Okay, I have on the Belmont V-neck tee in Amazon, size small by 78 and Sunny, $42. It's fine. It's just a t-shirt. I don't really love the color, really. And I think for $42, I mean, it's just a t-shirt. And like I say too, I don't really love this bright green for now. This is the faux suede drape jacket in black by Bagatelle, $64. I think it's really cute. I do. Does it have 2 pockets? Yep, it's got 2 zippered pockets that are actual pockets. It's not lined, which I don't love that. It fits really well. What am I holding on? Am I grabbing the jacket or the, nope. Okay. It's pretty short in the back. I like that the sleeves are long on me. I don't know. I'll have to think about this one. I'll have to watch it back and see what I think. But those are the first 2. I'll be back in a second with the next. Wouldn't necessarily put these together, but this is the Hawthorne ribbon trim v-neck top in white by 78 and Sunny, $49. No, this is just, I don't like this, and $49, not even close. But I do like that. The back's interesting, but it's super sheer. But I just don't think this is very cute on me. Now I do like these leggings, ultra legging wide waistband in black cherry by Hue, $40. I do like these. They are very comfortable. Very comfortable. They're not super tight. They're very stretchy. There's plenty of, they almost look ruched at the bottom because they're very long. I prefer, when I wear leggings, I prefer coverage in front and back. These are super comfortable. Like, I would wear these on the airplane next week when we fly away. But I need to find a top to wear with them. But very cute. Kind of wish they were navy or black, but I think these are cute. I will think about these. And I think I'll probably keep these on with the next 2 tops. So I'll be back with the next. I'm so sorry. The yard guy across the street is blowing. And so he should be finished pretty soon. But then the next door neighbor's yard guy is also mowing. So hopefully they'll all be finished pretty soon. If you can hear that, which I'm sure you can. This is the open front cardigan, pocket cardigan in light rust by Staccato, $59. I just put it on with this. I just switched into jeans. I said I was going to wear the leggings, but it was just, no, they're just too much of a clash. But I'm surprised I don't really like this that much. I kind of wish it was a little bigger. And let me pull this off and show you the other top underneath. Okay, this is the Cruise long sleeve top in marble and black by 78 Sunny, $69. It is just not a $70 top. Number one, I would size up. This is a small. They haven't sized me up in Wantable, but I think I would like it better if it was smaller. I mean, a size larger and a little more looser fitting. But I just don't like it that much, and especially for the price, I don't. Come on, dude, stop. But anyway, here's this, and I think I've got one more to go, maybe. I will be back with the next one, and hopefully he will be finished by then. The guy's finished blowing across the street, so we should be good for that. This is the striped intermingle brushed dolman long sleeve navy and white W by Wantable. I just don't. First of all, here's what it looks like. I was hoping it'd be just kind of big and like cozy, but there are the sleeves. I do kind of like the sleeves, and it is really soft. Are you supposed to pull it up and it just be lots of like a loose blousey kind of fit, which that's fine, but I just don't think, I am not feeling it today for this box at all. So let me know what y'all think. Let me give you a really quick wrap up. Hold on. The merchandise total for all of this is $382, so about $400 for all these. And they went ahead and built a discount in. Keep 5 discount would be less $76.40, which would be $309.16. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may lose my styling fee again. Let me know what y'all think. That is it for this Wantable unboxing. Please like and subscribe if you've gotten this far. I will see you next time, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.